Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Duetto. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. See, we get a beautiful shot of espresso. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Works well. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Oh yeah, and we replaced the heating element seal, so just to show you, it's completely dry under here.